Hi there. Let's take a look at two terms which are closely linked to each other and which business students often confuse. Let's explain the difference between revenue and demand, and to do so we'll use a simple example. You're setting up a business. In this case, we're going to sell boxes of popcorn, and in the first month of trading you do particularly well. You sell 1,000 boxes at a selling price of £5 each. What is your revenue? Well, it's easy. Revenue is volume times selling price. So in this case, 1,000 boxes at £5 each. Your revenue, how much we sold, the value of what we sold, is £5,000. So revenue is calculated by the formula the volume sold in units times by the selling price per unit, the value of what we sell. Well, how does that differ with demand? Well, demand is also a measure of what customers are prepared to buy. It's the quantity that they're willing and able to purchase at different price points over a particular period of time. So let's come back to our popcorn example. We discovered in our first month of trading that customers were willing to buy 1,000 units at £5 per unit. That gave us an indication as to the level of demand at that particular selling price. What might happen if we cut the price to, say, £2.50 per box? We might expect that quantity demanded goes up. Let's assume that we could sell twice as many. Well, what this does is give us what's known as a demand curve. A demand curve, in this case a line that shows the different quantities that will be demanded by consumers that they will be willing and able to buy at different price points. So you can see that demand is an indicator as to how much people are prepared to buy as the price varies, and of course we link that to a concept called price elasticity of demand, which looks at the sensitivity of demand to changes in price. But that's what demand is. So there we go. Revenue, the sales value of what a business actually sells. And demand, think of it more in terms of the marketplace. What quantity? How many will customers buy at different prices? Hopefully that's useful.